This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard water soft. Hard water contains elevated levels of dissolved minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals can cause unsightly scale buildup in your pipes, water heaters, and other appliances, reducing their efficiency and lifespan. Softening your water can significantly improve the effectiveness of soaps and detergents, leading to cleaner dishes and laundry, and also prevent those stubborn mineral stains. Ion exchange water softeners are a very common and effective solution. These systems work by passing hard water through a resin bed, where calcium and magnesium ions are exchanged for sodium or potassium ions. The resin eventually becomes saturated and needs to be regenerated periodically with a brine solution. A typical residential unit can effectively treat several hundred gallons of water each day, ensuring soft water throughout your home. Beyond ion exchange, reverse osmosis offers a more comprehensive filtration method. These systems push water through a semi-permeable membrane, effectively removing up to 99% of dissolved solids, including hardness minerals. Another approach is chelation, where chemicals bind to the minerals, preventing them from forming scale. While magnetic and electronic devices are marketed, their effectiveness in truly softening water remains a subject of ongoing debate. Switching to soft water offers numerous advantages for your home and daily life. It can extend the lifespan of your water-using appliances, such as dishwashers and washing machines, by up to 30%. You will also notice a significant reduction in soap and detergent consumption, potentially saving up to 50%. Furthermore, soft water contributes to softer skin and hair and leaves your dishes and laundry noticeably cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.